Alright, hey guys, it is Toblerone here, and today we are going to be getting diamonds, quickly, because that's what I thought of making a video out of. So, yep, so as you can see, I'm making a completely new survival world, no cheats, no nothing, just normal random survival world. So we load this, it will bring us into a world, and then we can just go ahead and start finding diamonds. So as you can see, we're in our world. It is a spruce forest, which is, I mean, pretty good for your, if you like just made a survival world. And oh look, there's ice spikes over there. So if this was your survival world, I will leave a seed link down in this. I'll leave a seed down in the description if you want to check out this world. And so I'm just gonna time lapse this mining the tree here because, as you all probably know, first thing to do when you start a Minecraft world is to mine a tree. So that is what I am doing right now, and that will give you wood, and that's the basis of getting other things in Minecraft. So now we have, it looks like 36 spruce planks. So yes, so the next thing we are going to do is we need to make a crafting table. So crafting table, just 4 wood planks. Put it in your search bar, and yeah, next crafting table. So we're gonna use this crafting table to make a wooden pickaxe. So we just place it down like that, and we want to put 2 vertical spruce planks on there. That'll give us 4, so 8 sticks, and then we put spruce planks along the top and then 2 sticks on the bottom, and that will give us a wooden pickaxe. So what you're now going to do with this wooden pickaxe is you're first going to mine the crafting table, because it's really annoying if you don't have a crafting table on you at all seconds. Wow, that sounded kind of stupid, but at all times, not all seconds. That doesn't make any sense. So now you need to get some stone, because you can't just like go up and try and mine diamonds with a wooden pickaxe. So what we're gonna do here is we're not gonna dig straight down because that wouldn't be smart, but we are going to, I think, make a little like outhouse here. So you can make like a little outhouse to house your mine or whatever you want. Mine is going to be pretty small for the sake of time purposes, and so you can make it about that big, and you want to put your crafting table in there because that is very useful in the future. So then we're going to make doors, because I mean we can't just have zombies coming into our outhouse at night. So we're gonna place a door there, and then we're gonna start digging down. But so what we want to do is start digging down, but the problem is if we dig this block here, our door comes off, right? So zombies can get in now, and other mobs, of course. So we want to place the door on the other block so that it is harder for mobs to get in. Well, it's practically impossible for mobs to get in unless they're like glitching in or somehow, or there's some special mob like Vexes that can fly through walls. So we're now going to mine down, and our goal is to get stone to make a stone pickaxe. So we've got 3 stone. that'll make us a stone pickaxe. So I think, yeah, we're gonna keep mining for a little bit because stone is like kind of important for like furnaces and things, so we might need it in the future. But as you can see, it's getting pretty dark out here. Like if we dig down another one, it'll be super dark. So as you can see, oh wow, that just glitched a lot. Uh, yeah, so it's super dark down there. So we need to get ourselves some torches. So what we're going to do is we need to find coal. So we're going to go and try and find a surface cave. So this is good because it is the day still, and so when we find a surface cave, which is taking me forever, it will be it will still be relatively light out. Um, so that's all good, and we won't really have to sleep through the night that much. And watch out for these berries because they hurt. So I found a surface cave which I actually passed before and didn't see. So we are just going to get some of these berries because you can also eat them. They hurt, but they are yummy. So get some berries. I mean, they only grow in spruce wood forests, so like if you're not like in a spruce wood forest, then that's not needed. There's no sweet berries for you. So what you're gonna do now is you need to get coal. So what we're gonna do here is we are first going to um go back because I seem to have forgotten a stone pickaxe. So be right back. That is me trying to eat berries, by the way. So I'm gonna go use my crafting table, make a stone pickaxe, and come right back to the surface caves that I was at. So now we have a stone pickaxe and we can mine this coal right off the bat here. Oh, well, gravel is annoying. Um, so this is our coal, and once we get a decent amount of coal, then it is possible for us to make torches, and torches are very useful for lighting things up, and keeping mobs away from your stuff, and also being able to see, because like that's also important in Minecraft. So we're just gonna get all of this coal here, and we should have something like a little under a stack when we're done. Um, I mean, stone pickaxes aren't the most fortunate in like getting stuff, so it's not like they are super efficient. So and that is why we're going to go find diamonds because then we can get a diamond pickaxe. So the next thing we're gonna do, since we now got a stone pickaxe, is we're going to and torches. So we're gonna make our torches, um, and we get 16 torches it looks like, but I do have more coal, so if I make some more sticks, I can get more torches. So, what I'm doing here is I'm just mining down to diamond level. So diamond level is level 11 or 12, so we're right now at level 70-ish. So if we go down to diamond level, then we can just go straight and maybe find diamonds pretty quickly. And that's basically all that there is to it. Um, So yeah, I'm just going to time lapse me going down to diamond level, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So we have found iron. That is very good because we can make iron pickaxes. Um, and iron pickaxes mean that we can like actually mine ores like gold and diamond and lapis and stuff like that. Because if you try and mine gold or diamond or something like that with a stone pick, then it will not give you the ore. The other thing that you may have noticed is that I put the torches in my offhand. And that means that I can just right click whenever I want a torch down and I don't have to switch to my torches because that takes a whole lot of extra time that isn't needed. And it looks like I've run out of my stone pickaxe. So let's try and mine it. But we used a wooden pickaxe, so the iron we didn't actually get the iron because we used a wooden pickaxe. So don't do that when you are mining iron. Don't use a wooden pickaxe because it will not give you the actual ore. So we're just gonna go up here, and it looks like we don't have enough wood. So I'm going to precariously go out in the night and get the wood from this tree. And then we will have sticks to make stone pickaxe. So now I have enough wood, I think. So I'm gonna go back in my little bunker thing and access this crafting table, make sticks, make planks, do that, and then use all that stone that I have from mining to to make a stone pickaxe. So I just realized I left my crafting table up there, so I'm going to make another crafting table, which is super easy as long as you have wood, and make a stone pickaxe, because they are so much faster and can mine iron, which wooden pickaxe can't. So now this is just me making my way down to diamond level. As you can see, I have found coal, so if you find coal, get the coal, because in the early days of Minecraft, you definitely want coal because coal gives you torches, and when you don't have excessive amounts of coal and you have to go get it every single time you need torches, it's really annoying because it takes forever to go and get, and it's not, although it is probably the most common ore in Minecraft, it is it's still extremely annoying to go and get if you've run out of torches. Oh, I also just found gold. Um, though, if you have a stone pick, do not mine the gold, because the stone pick will actually break the gold and will not give you the actual gold ore, just like the wooden pick will not give you the iron ore. So I'm gonna go up here and make a furnace, and then I'm going to smelt my iron, which I have time lapsed here. So now that I have iron, I can make an iron pickaxe just the same way and make any other pickaxe, just with iron instead of whatever you're making it out of. So now I have an iron pickaxe. I did get an achievement for that. Those are always nice. And I'm just making my way back down to the gold, which will now give me gold ore if I mine it. So now I'm just going to keep making my way down to diamond level. So I'm gonna guess that I'm at level like 20 or so. So I should be there pretty soon. And there's also the slight chance that you'll come across a cave. Well, actually, it's not really a slight chance. You probably will come across a cave. And if you do, they probably could have diamonds in it. Because, oh, look, I have come across a cave. So, this is a cave. Yep, it has water and lava and iron. So, I'm just going to get this iron. Guys, mine all the ores you find in your early days of your Minecraft world because they can be really useful when you go on to the end. And as you can see, I'm at level 14 and I have found diamonds. So before I'm going to mine them, I'm first going to stop this water so I can dig around them and check that there's no lava under them. So I'm just going to dig down and check that there isn't any lava under them, and that means that I can now mine them and not worry about them getting lost. So I did get 1 diamond.